Welcome to this video. In this video, what we are going to do is to remove a particular folder or a particular file that we do not want. And how can we do that? Because when I go to this our desktop, yeah, I have this folder OS which we created, and I want to remove this sub. Let's say sub. Let's try removing this first one, which is sub 2. And how can we achieve this? It's just basically simple. Let me comment this out. Can be top is we're going to use a function called os.rm, which is remove direct dir. So we directly don't want to remove. So I'm going to remove this directory here, which is this our sub2, which this is going to read this part, which is desktop. We're going to go into this OS mode that is going to remove this sub2. So let's run and see our output. Can see we run our script without any issue. So let's go back to our this and see whether we actually remove this successfully. So this is our OS model right here. Let me increase it. You can see this sub2 is no longer here. It has been removed by our script. So that's just basically what I want us to do in this video, to remove a particular directory. It can also this can also be used for when we want to move an empty directory to an empty directory or empty folder that doesn't have any content on it. We'll make use of this remove directory to move an empty folder. So at this point, we're able to create make folders and make a nested folder, which we did in our previous video, and now we're able to remove folders. Now next video, I'm going to do something a little bit advanced, like what we have been doing. We're going to be able to write to a files, able to create files and then write content to it, because having a folder without files inside it, I don't think there's fun on it. So when we start creating files, I'm sure we'll start creating files and writing content to it. It's going to make much sense. So I think this way we'll draw the curtain for this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.